Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily enable Siri, so activate your voice assistant on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So let's open up settings, and right here we need to find Apple Intelligence and Siri. And as you guys can see, here we have the Siri requests. Make sure that the Apple Intelligence is enabled. And right here, we need to go over to talk and type to Siri and make sure to enable type to Siri. And basically we need to enable the press side button for Siri. So make sure to enable both of those functions. And here you can talk and type to Siri. So basically you can enable her, and now whenever I say this, then Siri will just wake up, or this. We have two ways now. So Hey Siri. Yeah, we should try a couple of times. So Hey Siri. And as you guys can see, it worked perfectly fine. So now our Siri is definitely set up. We can also double tap right here to use the Siri with the Apple Intelligence. As you guys can see, we can say, let's say flip a coin and send it, and it's tails, it's heads, and tails. So now we can hold the side button for Siri 2. So that's great, and that's basically how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.